I take these satellite measurements and the variation over time of how the world's changing as facts. We've seen this warming over the last century and a half, very, very meticulous measurements, and it shows a really sharp acceleration in the warming over the last 4 decades.
People have a hard time understanding what's a big deal for a planet that is warmer by a degree or warmer by 2 degrees Celsius. But the impacts that we're worried about are being triggered not at a 20-degree warmer world, but they're being triggered at a 1-degree warmer world.
Over the last decades, we've seen the ice melting. We've seen the ice melting at the North Pole. We've seen the ice melting really fast on Greenland, where it's falling off Greenland into the ocean.
We've had Pacific Islands that have already had to be abandoned because of sea level rise. We can combine our data with global climate models and say, how is sea level going to change over the next 5, 10, 15 years? Because if we continue on the path we're doing, there's going to be a lot of coastal communities all around the world that are going to be flooded.
As scientists, we're just taking the most precise data that we can. It's open data, it's factual. For instance, the enormous droughts and fires that we have around the world are directly related to a warmer planet. That has a huge impact on people. It's unprecedented.
If you have a warmer atmosphere that can hold more moisture, because that's what warmer atmospheres do, they can suck up more moisture, that means more convection, more big thunderstorms, more hurricanes, more extreme weather. That's one of the likely outcomes of a warming world. We built our civilization around the current climate, our coastal cities, our food resources, our water resources. They're all pegged to the current climate, and there's not much slack in the system.
We're already seeing impacts, and impacts are going to increase. In a 2-degree warmer world, there'll be more. In a 3-degree warmer world, there'll be even more. And when you're looking at those kind of scenarios, 3, 4, 5 degrees warmer, which are totally plausible, if we go down that path, we will be looking at a different planet.